Tonight, we're making birria and leaving the kitchen spotless. We're also upcycling a candle into a cheap flower vase. My nighttime routine usually starts around 5:30 to 6 o'clock, and the first thing is getting dinner ready. Tonight, I wanted to make birria. And this was a recipe that I saw on TikTok and I wanted to make it myself. I didn't have all of the ingredients, and by that I mean the chiles. I didn't have all of them, but I made good use. So if you have any of the chiles that I'm going to be listing down in the info box, use them. And if you only have one, then obviously use that one.
Look out, here she comes.
While that's ready, I like to start cleaning my table, and I try to put everything that's out of place back in its permanent home. And I just like to have a tidy kitchen. For me, a tidy home makes me feel good. This is what I use to clean my table. I use the Clorox wipes. They are incredible. Because I'm a little extra, I do like to display fresh flowers on my table, and I also like to light a candle. I think it changes the ambiance. So I do clean my sofa. I try to clean the cushions and everything, but on this day, I just decided to go ahead and vacuum everything. And then I do like to put some air freshener on top of the sofa. I think it just makes the entire room smell better. And by the way, this isn't a deep clean. This is just me dusting everything because we do open the window, so we do get a lot of dust inside the house.
You were all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind.
Although I do vacuum the floor by hand, I do have a little robot that after I'm done with dinner, I set free and it cleans my floors. I just add water to it. I used to add Fabuloso and I noticed that the floor got sticky. So when I started just adding water, oh my God, it vacuums and mops incredibly and my floors look so shiny. So once the chiles, the onion, the tomato, the cinnamon, everything that I put inside is done boiling and they are mushy, I would toss them into the blender with some of the water that I boiled all of the ingredients in, and I would blend everything. And with that, I'm going to make the sauce. You do want to sear the meat. I did add a little bit of salt, pepper, and smoked paprika, and it tastes so good once it's done. I think the paprika adds the perfect kick. You will add the sauce, you would add bay leaves and your favorite seasonings. Now, my kitchen is not always perfect. My house gets dirty just like anyone's house, but something that I try to do is that I try to clean everything once I'm done, and it truly makes a difference. I have a dishwasher, I make good use of it, and I find that when I do this, I feel as if things just don't pile up. Like I don't have more work the next day or so. Everything has a home, is in its place, and this just works better for me.
Shimmer on our skin, storing everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond gold. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Let a path now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover.
So I do have a little DIY. I got this candle at Home Goods, or was it TJ Maxx? And I knew that I wanted to use it to put flowers in it once I was done. This was handmade in Murano, Italy, and this candle smelled so good. I think this has been the best smelling candle I've ever had in my life, and this was super simple. I added hot water to it, and then I washed it really well, and afterwards I just put my flowers inside, and it looks beautiful, and I saved a ton of money.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Because I have a white sink, accidents are bound to happen. So what I do is that I use Scrub Daddy, not Scrub Daddy, I use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to remove any stains from my white sink, and it does an amazing job. So if you're going through the same situation, Mr. Clean will get the job done. Really good. So by this point, the meat was ready and you can see how it falls apart. It tasted really good. I had it with a little bit of brown rice and I garnished it with onions. I do like to do these things for my family every day. I think that just having a home where you can relax, where you can enjoy a warm plate of food is one of the best feelings in the world. My nighttime routine also includes laundry. I do a load of laundry a day so that it doesn't pile up, and on weekends I take a break